Hey everybody, it's Alex, the creator and developer of Phrase It, the card game and the dice game. We've just released this month our crystal magnetic building blocks, and as you can see I built a really cool helmet, and I'm on the floor here with my daughter. We're working on some fun projects. We also have different shapes like pentagons, squares, there's a couple hexagons, some wheels. It comes with a Ferris Wheel set, and if you order online on Amazon, you'll get this really cool box that comes and is a great thing you could tote around when you go to grandma and grandpa's house or just for long trips or travel. It's a great tool to use. Also, you'll see this here. This is what you'll get. You get this nice large box to fit everything in. It comes with alphabet letters as well, so you can spell phrases just like you see on my Phrase It cards. Go ahead, click the link below this video. Right now on Amazon they're 10% off. And please just go ahead and let us know what you think, and we hope you have fun with your kids as you build the crystal magnetic blocks. Bye.